Today I am going to share a golden and heart touching Christmas tale, a story that began with scraps, teeny forgotten piece of fabric and leftover yarn, and turned them into a magical crochet Christmas tree that changed someone's entire holiday. So sit back because what you are about to hear is an amazing trendy Christmas story mixed with a beautiful DIY you will love to create. There once lived a little girl named Alina who loved Christmas more than everything. But one December, her family struggled. There was not enough money for decoration or gifts. Still, Alina dreamed of having a Christmas tree, something small, something special. One cold night, she found her grandmother's old crochet basket filled with colorful scrap yarn and leftover fabric strips. They are useless now, she thought, but then she heard her grandmother's soft voice echo in her memory. Nothing is useless, Alina. Everything carries a story, and that moment changed everything. So, today, as we recreate Alina Magical Tree, gather with me scrap yarn, fabric leftovers, crochet hook, and your imagination. Start by crocheting a simple cone shape as she stitches from. Imagine little Alina doing the same. Every loop holding a hoop, every knot carrying love. Cut your scrap fabric into thin strip. Alina did this too. She did not have glitter or ribbons, so she used what she had: old dresses, warm scarves, torn pillow cover. She turned each strip into something beautiful. Wrap this strip around the crochet cone layer by layer. With every wrap, say to yourself, creativity is stronger than money, beauty is born from effort. Now crochet tiny stars, simple, small, delicate. These stars symbolized Alina's dreams. She made each one thinking of the Christmas she hoped for. Attach your star, tie the fabric bow, shape your tree, and as you do, imagine Alina placing here by the window, smiling softly, believing that miracles to happen. Subscribe. A neighbor passed by Alina's house. He noticed the teeny handmade tree glowing softly in the window. It was not perfect, it was not expensive, but it had something extraordinary here. He knocked on the door gently. Who made this? He asked. Alina raised her hand. The neighbor smiled. I own a small craft shop, and this tree is the most beautiful thing I ever seen this season. He bought it not for decoration but to display it so everyone could see what creativity can do. Soon more neighbors visited. They did not come for gifts, they came to admire the courage of the child who made the beauty of